So today is Monday, Friday to Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Friday to Friday, Saturday. Today is my 11 days and evening finish Dhyan today on the sanctuary, Mysore sanctuary. Okay, so now the eating fruit time first because I'm become late today. So I have some trouble on the because everybody go and I was the latest person and I finished my meditation around 5:30. So this always happens. Before that I have a exercise. Today experience are completely amazing. Unbelievable all day. The last jam, oh my god. You know your Chetna, like you put your one is going there and you let it live and you can put your mind to that Chetna, okay, that mind here. Then here. Then say, okay, let I live more. I live all. And my mind everywhere. Wow. He's going far, he's become big, again here. Wow. High frequency. High frequency, slow motion. Lots of misunderstanding because I sit like this. They're moving and sometimes moving and sometimes not. Sometimes because on that dhyan also there's something and like they disappear. Sometimes come originally and they cut me. Very bad cut today. Sometimes ant cut you and you think it's like energy doing something that because in the chakra did already. Quite funny. It's funny. Most important thing, eat fruits first. Today, my eyes, they heal my eyes. Oh, mango not tasty. Okay, let it eat only. Taste is matter or no, I don't know. So let it eat. All thinking is a sweet, but it's not sweet. So this happened and today I'm in first 1 hour I'm confused because they bonding something on my head because sometimes they do like this in the energy because they have to do something here. Body can't move. If you scared something like that you can't move. So they doing like this and I'm confused because I open eyes because I have to change my leg. I said let I open my eyes. Open my eye and check is ant. I said, I stupid. Half an hour I'm thinking there's happening something. So sometimes you become fool having meditation. There's nothing and you think there is something. Okay. There is no treatment on this eyes. Only treat this eyes. Here water come and they treat here nicely. Very good. Very painful. And water come here but is not treat. They not treat today. That's it. Now I think 3-4 days I will do dhyan here. Then I will dhyan continue at my home. Today is the Monday. And they are finished. Comfortable. Fruit time. Here people not understand this thing. So sometimes I feel they feel funny. I left my Lota and my Ganpati ji on the Shivling. I said okay. When I come next time I will check it was there or not. I hope somebody will throw them. It's my successful dhyan today. My meditation completely successful. My chetna is coming more wider, more and more wider. I am becoming more slow. You know, you sit like this, and you can feel your energy till that corner. That corner is like a 50 meters. You can feel, and the people who they are inside near you, you can put it on your energy in our Amandal. I don't know what it's called. Now I need to find some good word to try to, because lots of things I done. I need to see. Tomorrow I will do morning dhyan here. I choose the way. No, I choose the place again here only tomorrow, and then I think I choose mountain place, some temple or something, and then after that go to the Dalat. I think so. This is a plan. Now I think Friday, Saturday I want to come here. Go back to the work. I'm tired. Small tired. So today we'll eat dal chawal. I cook the beans. I will cook beans. Don't want to make the that what is called vegetable. I'm tired. I will take small rest, then I will cook. Now I'm very tired. See some Guru's videos. I saw some people astral travel on the Yoga Nidra, but they did already lots of meditation already. I understand very late. Why? I don't know. Seriously, if I know this before, I swear, 10 years ago I did this, because when I was into the yoga. Okay, everything come on the time to you. You can't force the time. Okay, so finish the day. So today no outside, because this type of the city only. I just drive 1 hour from here and come back. Car also have a problem. I don't want any trouble. So just want to go home and back to the work fast. Seriously, fruit are very good. Fruits going to my body and it's happening something inside. I don't know what. Seriously. When you eat fruit, your body completely naturally changes. Please enjoy. Seriously, I feel very. Still left a lot. One more. I will eat this also. Man, I'm also worried. Come back fast, back to work. Not good. Today also I think a lot in the morning and took the decision to go back. I'm tired. If there is my home or something is okay. It's completely different country, different people, and if something happened with me, so I don't know. Last, not anymore. This I will eat, then I take 1 hour break, then after that I cook. After cook I eat around 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Sleep now. So if you want the spiritual journey, go alone. Earn some money stupid first. You have enough money that you can survive. I have around 50 lakhs. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about work also. No, I have to work for highly. Highly, people must know. One might say also to go to India I don't want to live with me. Now I don't know how long I can be a yoga teacher. Then go to the Sadguru, directly South India, and meet him and become his chela. 2-3 years after, become Baba. Not now. I think at least 5 years I will survive first. I'll become famous completely then. My motive is not to speech. No. My motive will not also to make the people enlightened. No. My motive is that if I can help people, it's like cancer, some sickness you can't heal, you die already. Like you die. Now there's no way. Doctors say already bye. That's I want to live. Because of there is one people do the cancer treatment. Completely by the Hanuman Ji. There is Hanuman Ji which energy I don't know. But pray Hanuman Ji.